Are you longing for overall happiness and great health? Of course you are. But I'm wondering, do you ever wish you could simply get lost in your favorite sweet treat and really stay there until the sugar plum fairy pulls you out of the chaos of life? Ooh, we need that these days, right? So many people, we're numbing ourselves out with unhealthy sweet treats. Wouldn't you love a collection of desserts that are healthy and delicious? I've got that for you in my delicious, healthy, gluten, sugar, and dairy-free dessert video series. I'm going to come into your kitchen and show you how to make these mouth-watering treats. I'm here to help you discover your healthy, happy, balanced life with all of these easy and delicious dessert recipes. Because you really deserve to finally find your greatest version of you. So grab your copy today. I'm so excited to help you live your best life ever. I'm Kathryn Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. I help you to rebalance your hormones, renew your energy, and love, love, love your life. But more importantly, I help you to love yourself. Go out, love yourself, enjoy these recipes, grab your copy today, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Love you. Bye-bye.